Now we will enter the media type entry, master entry. Here, first of all, we will select on media type duration menu under admin settings. Then master duration entry page will be opened. Here we will select the media type such as shortened. Here we will enter the shortened. Here we will enter the duration by checking the uh, document. Here you can see for short display advertisement duration is two types. There is up to 30 second and another one is from 31 second to 1 minute. We will enter up to 30 second. So let's write up to 30 second. Submit it. Data submitted successfully. Okay. Now we will enter the media period by clicking on media period button on menu, that media period menu. Now you can see the master period entry form has been opened. Here we will select the media type we would want to enter, that is shorted. Now duration as we have entered previously, that is up to 30 second. Now period, enter the period by checking the document. Here up to 30 second, for up to 30 second duration there is three types of period. So let's take the first one, that is 7 days per 5 times a day. Now write 7 days per 5 times a day. Submit. Data submitted successfully. Okay. Now under admin settings, click on the menu video category wise rate. Now this master video category wise rate form has been opened. Here you select the type, that is shortened, duration as we have entered up to 30 second. Now select the period, that is 7 times per 5 times a day. Display time, you can select any one, prime time or beyond prime time. Let's take the beyond prime time. Now category, there is many categories are there. So let's take category A. Now enter the rate by checking the document. For up to 30 second period, 7 days at 5 times per day. For category A, you can see the rate is rupees 6,000. We will enter that rate 6,000. Now submit. Data submitted successfully. Now you can check the data inside that list. Here the data has been entered successfully. Thank you.